Hi friends, my name is Dr. Virendra Keshav Taksande. I am head of the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Department. My college name is Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today I am going to introduce about the optical fiber. What is optical fiber? What are their content? How it works? And what are its advantages? So let's start. So optical fiber is the youngest and the most modern mode of communication. Okay, so it has a thin strand of pure glasses. Then we can transmit the data to a very long distance. At the same time, so we can transmit data at a very high speed. And this optical fiber can be bended or can be twisted. Now, what is the basic block diagram of the optical communication, fiber optic communication? So basically, fiber optic communication consists of the three parts. One is the source, other is the channel, and the last one is the receiver. So in this case, this is the source, optical transmitter. It is source. This is the input signal. This is electrical input signal coming to the optical transmitter. Optical transmitter consists of the LED or laser as a optical transmitter. Then this electrical signal is been converted into the optical signal, that is in the light signal, and this light signal can be transmitted over the optical fiber communication to the receiver. This receiver consists of the either pin diode or the avalanche diode. Now, these are the example of the optical sources. So, as I have said in the previous slide, so light emitting diode, this is the light emitting diode, this is light emitting diode, this emitting diode converts the incoming electrical signal into the light signal. At the same time, we can use the laser as a light source. Now, what are the advantages of the light sources? So the function of the light sources, or the advantage of the light sources, it modulates the electrical signal into the optical signal. That I have said in the previous slide also. But at the same time, so these light sources, that is LED as well as the laser, modulates the light at 850 nanometer. It can modulate the light at 1300 nanometer. It can modulate the light at 1550 nanometer. Laser gives the very high intensity and very high frequency light signal. LED as compared to the laser is very economical. Now, optical fiber channel. So it consists of basically three part. Optical fiber consists of basically three part. One is the core through which the light signal can be transmitted. Then to give the protection to the core, so we are using the cladding, and to give the total protection to the core and cladding, we are using the coating there. This light signal can be modulated. Either it is amplitude modulated, phase modulated, frequency modulated, and we can have the different polarization also: horizontal polarization, vertical polarization, or circular polarization. Now, if we are talking about the detector at the receiver end, so avalanche photodiode can be used as a photo detector. So these are the glimpses of the photo detector. So photo detector can be, we can have the photodiodes, we can have the LDR, we can have the fiber optics photodiodes. So how the light signal is transmitting through the optical fiber. Now this is the LED or this is the laser. They are using as a light sources. They are generating the light. Then the light is entered into the core of the optical fiber. Then there is a total internal reflection phenomena taking place, and the light is hence by the phenomenon of the total internal reflection, the light is getting transmitted from the transmitter end to the receiver end. Let's see what are the advantages of the optical fiber. It is having a very large bandwidth. It is having a very small size. It is having a very lightweight. It's lightweight. Attenuation loss is very small. That is 0.2 dB per kilometer. Then it is free from the radio frequency, and it is free from the electromagnetic interference also. And it is the highly secured mode of communication. Right now we are using it throughout the world. Basically, there are the two types of the optical fiber. One is a single mode optical fiber, other is a multi-mode optical fiber. In the single mode, we can transmit only one light signal with a one single frequency. But in the case of the multi-mode optical fiber, we can send more than one light signal with the multiple frequency. So these are the glimpses are the pictures of the strip index and the graded index. So here is the strip forming, therefore it is known as the strip index optical fiber. Here is a grade, here is the graded. So therefore it is known as the graded index fiber. Thank you very much.